आता बघ बरं कसं आहे. Hello friends, previous lecture we see the preparation of aldehyde and ketones by oxidation and dehydrogenation method. Now today we see the preparation of aldehyde and ketones by ozonolysis. Now here in this method, preparation of aldehyde and ketone ozonolysis, when O3 molecule ozone molecule reacts with any alkene to give ozonide compounds, and these ozonide compound further reduced in presence of zinc powder to give the corresponding aldehyde and ketones. Here is O3 molecule, ozone molecule you can be utilized. Now here is resonance structures of ozone shown here. This is resonance structures. Here oxygen, the negative charge is delocalized and double bond shifted to another oxygen. Now here again a lone pair is create the negative charge. Again this negative charge can be shifted to this single OO bond. Again this double bond in between this positive oxygen and here oxygen shifted to get a negative charge. This is the resonance structure. Continue delocalized takes place between the two hydrogens and resonance structure from ozones. Here in this reaction the alkene reacts with the ozone molecules, double bond, negative charge shifted to this carbon atom, carbon carbon double bond shifted to this oxygen, and double bond between these two oxygens can be shifted to this positive charge present oxygen and to get form this structure. Again it is the unstable structure, highly unstable structure. It is continue single bond carbon carbon. It is unstable structure. It can be stabilized by this bond is break and shifted to here. Again this oxygen oxygen single bond shifted to these electrons to this oxygen, and this structure is breakdown to give now we can write in this way. This O minus O is carbon R group and here hydrogen group, and rearrange this structure. This negative charge of ozone can be shifted to this is positive carbon, negative charge can be shifted to this carbon, and this carbon oxygen double bond can be shifted to this carbocation and to give the ozonide structure. After this structure we can write down in this way: carbon, oxygen, this negative oxygen, R group, and this hydrogen. Here is negative oxygen can be shifted to this carbonyl carbon, and this double bond can shift it to here. We get this structure. Ozonide molecule is obtained. Further, this ozonide molecule reduced in presence of zinc powder, zinc dust. ZnH plus, and these molecules is further to break down in this way. way. This one can be shifted to here to use. Here we get the formaldehyde, and formaldehyde and acetaldehyde. In this way, here you can use the alkyl groups, different alkyl groups. We can give if the presence of R group, we get a ketonic product. In this way, ozonolysis reaction is completed. Now next reaction to obtain the aldehyde or ketone, we can shown here. The hydration of alkynes. Here in this reaction, acetylene molecule reacts in presence of HgSO4 in presence of H2SO4 and to gives the corresponding aldehyde and ketones. Here acetylene reacts with HgSO4 and H2SO4 reactants, H2SO4 to gives a corresponding aldehyde and ketones. Now here R group or H group, acetylene we can be utilized. Here HC triple bond C H we can utilize here plus HgSO4 in presence of H2SO4. Here is double bond. It reacts with Hg plus OSO3 minus. This intermediate molecule or compound is formed. Now further hydrolysis reacts with water molecule. Acetylene reacts with HgSO4 corresponding aldehydes in presence of water. In presence of water molecule. Here is hydrolysis O H2O HC OH. Now here water molecules can be shown in this way. C. Here is hydrogen Hg plus OSO3 minus OSO3 minus. Here is O plus. This hydrogen is shifted to here. OH molecule. Yes. HC. Here this oxygen presence of this positive charge is neutralized by shifted to this hydrogen electrons, and OH bond is formed. Here is double bond as it is CH Hg plus OSO3 minus. Again, this double bond can be shifted to this COH bond. COH bond. This double bond can be shifted to here. Yes, it is correct. Now here is shifted to here. Here is created double bond, single bond. This bond can be break. One electron get to this carbon. H Hg plus OSO3 minus, and again this bond, double bond, can be shifted to here, and this compound can be delocalized, or sorry, not delocalized, can be removed on this compound. OH double bond CH H. Again, this compound is formed. It is called as enolic compound. Enol. And this enol can be further delocalized. This double bond shifted to here. This positive charge can be neutralized with this hydrogen shifted to here. Now here is formed C double bond O CH3, and this compound is known as CH3 C double bond O H. Acetaldehyde. In this way, these two reactions to form the corresponding aldehyde and ketones. Here we, if you can utilize acetylene, hence to form the acetaldehyde, we can utilize, here is the alkyl groups. Instead of this hydrogen, you can get the ketones. Now next is, we can see the other methods preparation of aldehyde and ketones. Other methods preparation of aldehyde and ketones. other methods. Preparation of aldehyde and ketones. Aldehyde and ketones. Now we can see the first Rosenmund reaction. Rosenmund reaction. In this reaction, acyl chloride reacts with in presence of palladium, barium sulfate to give the corresponding aldehyde and ketones. Acyl chloride reacts with barium sulfate. This reaction is known as Rosenmund reaction. Acyl chloride reacts with palladium, barium sulfate. Palladium, barium sulfate to gives the corresponding aldehyde and ketones. For example, acyl chloride CH3 C double bond O Cl reacts with palladium, barium sulfate to give the corresponding aldehyde CH3 double bond O H and remove of HCl molecule. Acetaldehyde is obtained to give the acetaldehyde molecule, and here is acyl chloride. This reaction it is called as Rosenmund reaction. Second method is preparation of aldehyde and ketones in presence of acyl chloride preparation of ketones. Another method we can write down here B. Preparation of ketones. In this reaction, acyl chloride reacts with dialkyl cadmium. Reacts with dialkyl cadmium CH3 twice cadmium to give corresponding ketone. Here is to prepare the dialkyl cadmium in presence of Grignard reagent. Dialkyl cadmium prepared by presence of Grignard reagent. How to prepare it? we can see here, twice R alkyl magnesium halide reacts with cadmium dihalide, cadmium dichloride, and to choose the twice or R2 cadmium plus removal of MgXCl2. Now here R2 consider as alkyl groups, maybe CH3 or other groups, other alkyl groups. Now here we can consider, here can be utilized twice CH3 MgCl or MgBr plus cadmium dichloride to give this CH3, two CH3 molecules, CH3 twice, and attached to this cadmium, and Cl2 MgBr, Cl2 is removed, MgBr Cl2, and this dimethyl cadmium reacts with acyl chloride and to give the corresponding ketone. For example, we give the example of acyl chloride, twice CH3C11O Cl, acyl chloride to give dimethyl cadmium CH3 twice Cl. And here also this Cl2 molecule is reacts with cadmium. Cadmium dichloride is formed because you can give the two molecules of acyl chloride, and these CH3 two molecules can be shifted to this carbonyl carbon. See this, to give the acetone molecule, two acetone molecules. In this way, the reaction takes place in aliphatic compounds, aliphatic acyl groups. Here is also aromatic acyl groups to give the aromatic carbonyl compounds also, or aromatic ketones are also. We give the one examples of aromatic ketone. Here is this example is aliphatic compounds or aliphatic acyl compounds. Aliphatic acyl chloride. Now here we see the aromatic acyl chlorides. There is now benzene, two molecules. In presence of dimethyl cadmium. Here we can give the benzyl chloride, and this benzyl chloride reacts with dimethyl cadmium. In presence of dry ether, there is also utilized for dry ether. In presence of dry ether, here we get cadmium Cl2, benzyl methyl ketone. benzyl methyl ketone. Now here we can utilize the benzyl chloride or acyl chloride also. Now you can utilize here the aromatic cadmium compound. In Rosenmund reaction also, here is also you can utilize here acyl chloride aromatic compound, here utilize benzyl chloride to give the different product aromatic ketones benzaldehyde. You can obtain, here is benzaldehyde, here benzyl chloride reacts with, sorry, here is twice dimethyl cadmium in presence of dry ether to give benzyl methyl ketones. Now it's a very simple reactions, aliphatic acyl chloride and aromatic acyl chlorides to obtain a corresponding product of acetones. Here is cadmium dichloride reacts with Grignard reagent to give the dimethyl cadmium, and this dimethyl cadmium can be reacts with the acyl chloride in presence of dry ether to give corresponding ketone. And similar way, the aromatic aldehyde aromatic ketones we can obtain by this dimethyl cadmium in presence of dry ether to give the corresponding aldehydes or ketonic products. In this way, these reactions we can see here. Now next lecture we can see the reaction with nitriles, preparation of aldehyde and ketones by nitriles. Thank you.